Hey guys, it's Lingy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare aloe vera gel for hair growth. I'm in my hair journey. I'm trying to grow back my edges and my hair, so I'm going to be using this aloe vera gel. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more hair and skincare videos, and follow me on Instagram too. And let's get to the video. So I'm gonna start by cutting these aloe veras by using a scissors. Be careful when you're cutting. I always use a plastic knife just to be safe. It's time for me to put it in the blender. It's ready. So I'm going to add a little bit of rose water on the aloe vera, because rose water is very good for the skin and for the hair. My aloe vera is ready. I'm going to store it in the fridge for 12 hours and I'll then use it the following day on my hair, because I'm in my hair journey. So the aloe vera has turned red because it was too exposed to the sun when I was taking it out from the garden. So make sure that you store it in the fridge to restore its color back, but I didn't do that. I did that in the later stage. So I'm gonna apply the aloe vera on my hair, on my edges, because I'm trying to grow my edges again. I'm going to use this aloe vera for a week because I'm not going to preserve it, so I can store it in the fridge and use it for a week. Wash my hair after applying it, let it sit for at least an hour, or you can leave it overnight. And yeah, I'll be back with the results and I'll see you next time. Bye.